Hello, Paxton and Ronald. This is the video for week 3. I have not heard from either of you or your parents, so I really hope that you're watching this. Ronald, I know your mom said that you needed paper materials. Miss Beline told me that you are watching or you are submitting things in Google Classroom, so I'm going to post this in hopes that you see this. Paxton, I haven't been able to get a hold of you or your mom, but I did hear from your other teachers that you're submitting things in Google Classroom. So I'm going to post this also for you. I hope you watch this. Ronald, you have the option of doing this, but since you are very limited in your technology, your mom is picking up the paper packets for you. So that's a different assignment than what is in here. But if you need help, I'm available via email or Remind. I've tried both to contact you. I don't know which one works best for you. Paxton, this is more for you because I know that you have access to technology. So, what we're doing this week, Paxton, is we're going to continue with surface area. And the objective is to use previous knowledge of surface area to make connections to the formulas for lateral and total surface area and determine the solutions for problems involving rectangular prisms, triangular prisms, and cylinders. So what's really important is that you have your formula chart. I'm going to link it in your Google Classroom. The assignment that you're doing is called, let me move my little recording so you can see. It's called Closing the Distance. And it looks like this little picture, pointing the wrong way, this little picture right here. You're going to complete that assignment in a Google Doc or a separate sheet of paper, and then you can take a picture and send it to me in Google Classroom or in an email. And the next thing that you will be doing is Imagine Math. So I'm not sure if you guys remember, but your username for Imagine Math is your 6-digit student ID number. Your password is the same number. And then the site code is right here on the side, 480-8090. I would love to hear from you guys. I have been trying to get a hold of you. I really, really hope that both of you see this and try to reach me in any way that you can. You can reach me in email. You can reach me in Remind. You can use Google Classroom, whatever it is. I hope you guys are okay. I miss you very, very much. I know that you guys are having a lot of fun with your video games and just being home and not having to be at school, but I do miss you guys, and I hope you guys miss school. I know you guys miss each other, so let me know. I would love to hear from y'all.